Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do the Angry Bird hat. I've had a lot of requests for it. This is one that I've done that's a red Angry Bird hat. This is one that I did that's a black Angry Bird hat. And I'm going to show you how to do the eyebrow of the Angry Bird hat. It's really simple, really easy. You're going to take your color, be black for the red hat and red for the black hat, and black for the yellow hat. You're just going to make your knot. Place it on a peg. And you're going to do 2 pegs. Alright, so you have your first one, you're going to do the next one, and you're just going to go back and forth. And each peg is going to be 1 row since there's only 2 of them. You're going to do 20 rows. So this is 1. This is 2. Three, 4. 5, 6. 7, 8. 9, 10. 11, 12. 13, 14. Now if you're doing an infant-sized one, 14 would be a good number to stop at. But for an adult or even a youth-sized, I would do 20. Okay, so this is 16 rows. 17, 18. 19, 20. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to knit off. You just put this one over onto this one, knit over, and then I always do one more just to make it more secure. Okay. Cut it, leave some so that you can sew it onto the hat. Pull it tight. And then I make a knot on both ends so it doesn't come undone at all. Okay, and then when you put it on your hat, you'd put them diagonally above the eyes, and you would just take the extra that you have, put it on your needle, and then you would just sew it on. Here, I can show you on the back of this one. You just put it through, and then you sew back and forth until you have it where you want it. I usually try to place it and get the top one where I want it to be, and sew that one through and make a little tie until I can get the bottom where I want it, and then I make a tie inside of it, and then I loop it back and forth through to sew it on. And that is how you make the eyebrow of an Angry Bird hat. To do the hair, you take just a few pieces of string. I think I did 4. I'll just show you with 2 real fast. You just take 4 pieces of string of the length that you want. And then you would put it down through the top of one side. And then up through the top of the other side. And then you would just tie them together. And that's how you get your hair. Very simple, very easy. The rest of the owl hat, of the Angry Bird hat, is the owl hat. You would just make the eyes and the beak as you would on an owl hat, and then you would make your strings for your ear flap. And that is how you make a loom knitted Angry Bird hat. Thanks for watching.